Mbele Masai Mara Game Reserve akawelo mathoth bende ne oriwo lwedo jomarito le mag bungu e Sarova Mara, But Aora Mara. Chenro no ne ota kod jatend jorit le ma Masai Mara Stephen Oleminis kama ne kodhi mag yien makwandgi okalo 500 ne opidhi mar keto ranyisi ne chenro mar keto makare lwasi mar kar rito lego. Manager Mara Sarova Mara Nicholas Maina mane ochiwo kodhi mane opidhigo ne oyango ni thoth otende mapacho kae nikod chenro ma idendo ni adopt a tree for a visitor mabende koro gi Masai Mara mondo ochop kare dwach jatend piny Ruto mar pidho yiende bilion 15 e thuolo mar higni 10.
Our program in the lodge that we call Adopt a Tree for our guests. If you come to the camp, you'll see plaques with names of guests who have adopted trees. So it is not something that just came up. It's something that we've been doing, and it's a program we've embraced, and we're happy to extend it to our partners and our neighbors.
We were so impressed here with the green eco here in Kenya. I mean, there is no trash anywhere. You are so good about the preserving the nature and the properties and everything, and it's a lesson for all of us to take home to our countries to be a little bit more diligent with what we do and sensitive to the ecology.
It's absolutely amazing experience. I'll treasure this for the rest of my life and